Hey everyone, I have just been promoted from Airbnb Superhost to Airbnb Ambassador. And what that means for you is through all of my skill set and my hands-on knowledge and experience being a superhost for the past 2 years. Yes, it has been 2 full years and still going strong. So now that I'm an ambassador, I am able to onboard other people who want to be an Airbnb host. So if that is you and you have been wondering how do you become an Airbnb host, what do you need to get started? I can tell you, if you're thinking about renting out a room, extra suite that you have on your property, if you're thinking about renting out an entire house or just a part of your house, you too can be a Airbnb host. So I would love to hear from you, and also for those of you that I know who I think would be fabulous hosts, I will be sending you my personal link and you can go ahead, check it out, and I hope to see you on the Airbnb community.